slice chicken breast in half. Sprinkle on salt and pepper. Spread cream cheese enough to cover the chicken. Add grated cheese and garlic. Add chili flakes and spinach. And now, some chorizo and cherry tomatoes. Roll the chicken up and arrange in a Pyrex dish. Mix the juice of 1 large lemon and 2 teaspoons of mustard. Spread the mixture on top of the chicken. Bake at 180°C for 35 minutes. Meanwhile, mix cheese, spinach, and sun-dried tomatoes. Spread your cheese mixture on top. Now, return to oven. Bake at 180°C for 25 minutes. In another bowl, prepare a salad. Mix cucumber, onions, cherry tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese. Add basil leaves and rocket salad. Add a few drops of lemon juice and balsamic vinegar. Add crispy croutons. And there you have it, Joy's Stuffed Chicken Roulade. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.